Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video about this flight controller here. This is a new flight controller that has just been released from SkyStars RC. Now, I haven't had any other SkyStars flight controllers in here, but it appears that they make quite a few. This is the new F405 Mini HD2 flight controller, and it has quite a few little tricks. Interested on feedback, if any of you out there have used any of the other SkyStars flight controllers or ESCs, I'd be interested to see what you think. Now, on board here, it's an STM32 F405 processor. There's an MPU 6000 gyro. It doesn't have a barometer, but it does have the standard integrated on-screen display and a black box as well. Unusually for such a small flight controller, this is your standard kind of mini size. It has 6 UARTs because it is kind of designed around the DJI HD system. Supports D-Shot 300, 600, 1200, and also has LED pins as well. And as I'll show you in a moment, it also has pins for the I2C pieces too. So who knows, maybe having the ability to do something with iNav on it might be something we can have in the future. There is buzzer pins as well, and it'll support 2 to 6S Lipo. There is also TVS diode protection on here, and the BECs that are on here are rated at 3.3 volts at half an amp, and the 5 volt one is rated at a nice 2.5 amps with a 9 volt version rated at 2 amps, and it looks like the 9 volt is there to do things like run the DJI system. Now, as I mentioned, this is a bit of an interesting one because it does have some nice features on here. It does have the I2C pins, and it does also have the ability to plug directly into the DJI HD system. Now, there are cables in the box that would allow you to kind of make this stuff up, as well as link into, I'm guessing, one of the SkyStars 4-in-1 ESCs. But looking more closely at the design, they have made sure that they've routed all the high voltage lines well away from things like the gyro, which is a cute little touch. Again, mounting on this, because it's a smaller board, is 20mm, and there are both M2 and M3 mounting vibration isolating grommets in here, and there's also direct receiver mounting. It's been designed that way too. So I thought it would be interesting to show you this stuff from SkyStars. And again, if you've used this stuff or have any kind of feedback or opinion on this outfit, I'd be really interested to know. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty